Good morning, dignitaries on the dais and my friends, colleagues. I'm sorry I'm late, but because my meeting started at 9 and that got slightly delayed. The day starts early. This was, of course, is my second meeting, and I had to rush immediately after this. There is some secretaries who's coming for General Shiva Kumar knows to 3D GIS, and then I have a board meeting at 12, which again I have requested Chief Secretary to postpone to 12:30 because I will be traveling road more in between because I have to cross that BRT corridor to the Push Bhavan. And this is something which, of course, I think all of you may not have seen, but just a good presentation in the sense of, I think the Diwali crackers or otherwise crackers, they linger more in the mind. A small presentation. This is what, of course, normally is happening. Blast, terrorist. This actually is the scene of the Jaipur. Now, at the time of disaster, this actually has happened. Just, I think you can go through it. No network choking, no communication amongst these governing agencies, administration, police, fire, health, interdepartmental coordination, lack of communication, availability, deployment of resources, crisis management. Now, what happens actually when the Sarojinagar blast took place? The CM could not contact the Chief Secretary, and the Chief Secretary could not be in touch with the Police Commissioner and the LG and the Home Minister. None of them were able to communicate with each other. Reason? Choking, network choking, both landline as well as the mobile. Now, this is an e-governance model which the Delhi government has shown to the world, not to the country. Delhi government is coming with the integrated secured communication system for all departments. In fact, the other states should also follow. Already, in fact, there is a lot of inquiry, means how this has been done from the foreign countries also. By establishing TETRA, technology being the most secured communication, of course, was used in Melbourne, Beijing, and now in 2012 in London Olympic. Till the TED come. TED is still on the drawing board. I think 2011 it will be there. And maybe, of course, this technology itself may be obsolete if the IP broadband convergence that comes into being, where your all mobiles can also be a sort of this thing. Now, this is the integrated communication solution, 18 departments. What we have seen is everybody is holding a wireless set. Delhi police separate, ambulance separate, fire separate, divisional commissioner separate. Now, all this thing has been basically only the license from the DOT, WPC, has been taken by the government of Delhi. And after that, of course, global bid, technical, financial, 3 companies qualified. Of course, one of the worst things which is happening in India is the one who is the loser, which in this case is the Tata EADS. They can harp lot many allegations on the one which has won, despite how much transparent. Even if you, जैसे भगवान हनुमान जी ने छाती में खोल के राम दिखाया था, तो अगर आप खोल के दिखाएंगे कि CVC guidelines observed, still the media is there, of course, to bring out all lot of allegations and this thing. Apart from this, the thing is that the HCL Motorola, of course, accounts 60% of the TETRA worldwide, and TETRA presently is being used only in the Delhi Metro and the Dial. Among the state government, this is the one. Now, they all will be having only the same, simple. Now, what is happening is, this will be the linking up government department. All will be on the one, even if among your friends also, you may be knowing the number of your friend, but not the son or the wife or the daughter in the same family. What happened during the Sarojinagar blast? The police, the ACP, DCP could not get in contact with the deputy commissioner, the governance, and not 100 and 101, 102. That's the only number which means, of course, how much they respond. Now, in this particular, TETRA system, large number of groupings, permutation combination. One group will like the top dignitaries, the CM, the governor, the LG, and the police commissioner can be there, home minister and all. One can be of all the joint commissioners. One can be deputy commissioner. One can be deputy commissioners of the district with the divisional, with the deputy commissioner of the DCP, with the deputy commissioner of the state, with the ambulance. So, almost 1,000 grouping can be there. And that group can, basically have VPN, virtual private network, and that overall will be under the TETRA. So that sort of system, impregnable system, now we are providing. Of course, let's hope it comes through by the rollout by the April and May. And there will be 46 base stations to cover the entire Delhi. This system will be on the 400 to 430 megahertz. Now, wet lease model, it is instead of what normally happens, suppose we procure the system. This is where, of course, now I'll also, this is a very good forum, and I have always been requesting that the industry should come now not as a buyer and a seller. Industry should partner with the government. They should also go in for the, initially, of course, what you call is the commercial revenue model, and then be a partner in raising the resources and putting up the system. Now, in this particular case, the government of Delhi will not be investing anything at all. The entire system will be on the rental basis. The system will be placed into a working mode, these 46 base stations by the HCL Motorola. The rental will be on the set. Otherwise, we would have been, of course, our engineers would have been putting up all these base stations, monitoring it, running it, and then, of course, seeing that it runs as per what our standards. Whereas in this case, there will be service level agreement, a small, slightly deficiency in service, and we will be able to penalize them. Payment on a rental basis, no installation maintenance cost, and the captive license will be owned by the Delhi government. 2,500 is the only charge that you have to, and the quarterly, this is the license fee. DOT has been kind enough to reduce the license fee. Of course, initially they were charging a lot, but then when it's totally for the security agencies, so they have been able to reduce it. Almost 10,000 set will be used, handheld, static, vehicular. Now the plus point is the GPS already has come. The set has the GPS. Now there will be some 600 buses of the DTC will be provided with the static fixed sets. All buses after immediately, whenever the GPS is set up in Delhi by the transport department, apart from that, the GPS on these buses is there. So on the one hand, you have the GPS in the buses. Other hand, you have this our 9,000 other sets. Now these buses will be total secure. You can communicate, you can transfer the data. Suppose there is a blast in Nerela and the bus is going on that route. So immediately bus is going this side, or suppose in the Tughlakabad side, there is a system that all the sets can simultaneously be connected. The picture can be simultaneously can be transferred to all. And the most important, the sets have the encrypted code. Dynamic encryption. If suppose I say hello, so one time, first it will go as blah, blah, blah. Second time it will go as tla, tla, tla. Third time it will be different. So it's a dynamic encryption, and encrypted, decrypted. The thing is that's a total secure system. Major users, of course, there are 18 agencies which will be using it, and is capable of working around. Now we are having, of course, already with the Metro, Demple and the Dial, we had tied up, because underground signals require, they already are having their, suppose some terrorist goes inside the tunnel, then how to be in touch with that. So basically, so we have tied up with them. 2 control room will be set up, and they both will be interconnected. Now, this is the system at a glance. Most of the things I would not like to discuss much in detail, technical being the secure communication. So I think, and the advantage is, and a great advantage is that network choking is out. The fallback and the direct mode of operation in this, suppose all these 46 base stations are also blown up. Terrorists got the idea where these base stations are, in that case, these sets, this Motorola set itself will start communicating among themselves. So this is in the fallback mode, and all these in time of crisis, even in the case of a disaster, suppose earthquake happens and all these things. So these till the battery and other things are, so they will be operational among themselves. So the communication will be there. Dynamic grouping and VPN already, of course. And some of the unique security feature, of course, they prevent eavesdropping, authentication of radios, air interface. This is the air interface encryption and end-to-end encryption. So it's a total foolproof. And then suppose many times security people car or even sets are stolen. So you can kill that particular just from the base station itself. So that problem of that theft, that is it's no longer there. And access to data from the field with Tetra data service and radio interface is designed and optimized for circuit voice and packet data. Basically, the police field command application using its automatically vehicle tracking system, onboard database. The thing is that a very secure system is there, and now where, of course, I have to go just now is the 3DGI system. I think General Vish should also, I think, have a look. General Shiva is involved with that also. The entire Delhi has been mapped in the 3DG mode, and not in the country, I think in this part of the Asia, South Asia, Delhi is the first country where 1,500 square kilometer above the ground, on the ground, below the ground. And below the ground, the TerraVision machine, which up to 10 meters, means 30 feet, they have mapped. All your underground utilities are there. That's why 2-3 secretaries, actually I have to rush because 2-3 secretaries of the Government of India already are reaching there. And the entire, you can see your house, which Google can also show. But the main thing is that all these departments will be now provided with the lease line, dedicated lease line, initially 2 Mbps, can be raised up to 100 Mbps. And through these lines, all these departments will be interlinked, MCD, NDMC, and the Delhi government. So now the entire, if the Delhi Jal Board has to do, now the thing is still another, you have to give us 5-6 months more. The Delhi Jal Board, large number of pipe busting, this, that, and a junior engineer, the entire city depends on that. They go and see and look. Instead of that, you can see in the real-time situation what actually, when this pipeline was laid, how old it is, what is the diameter on your screen, computer screen itself, because this is a real-time data. Secondly, 64 cameras will be coming all over the Delhi. Shortly you will see. And these 64 cameras will be IP cameras, Internet Protocol camera, which can cover up to a distance of 5 kilometers. They will be linked with there is a plan to 1,000, 3,000 CCTV camera which the Delhi government, the Delhi police is putting up. 2611 type of situation where the guide and direction was being provided by the TV cameras. So that situation will no longer be there in Delhi. In case of any emergency, the entire road network, the police can communicate, or the governance on the site can communicate with the base, like police headquarters or the chief secretary. And suppose the procession is going on one place, fire in one building, blast in other road, then which is the road, how to reach, how to take the people, where to divert the people. So all real time with these 64 cameras, that can be done. One camera, of course, has been provided, 63, plus one has been also requested by the court to monitor the illegal construction. So even construction of houses, the authorized and the unauthorized, that also may either get heated up or may slightly disappear. This is a wide range of data. So not only the communication, but so basically for the Commonwealth, we intend to provide impregnable security, peace and harmony to the inhabitants of Delhi. And with the 3D GIS and with all your good wishes, I think we'll be successful in that. Thank you.